Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the ASUS TUF A16 gaming laptop, powered by the Ryzen 7 7445HS, an RTX 4050 class GPU, and a massive 32 gigabytes of RAM. On paper, it sounds impressive, but what really matters is how it feels in real life, and this machine quickly proves it's built for more than just specs. Right away, it comes across as a dependable work and play powerhouse, the kind of laptop that handles serious gaming and demanding daily tasks, without constantly feeling stretched or limited. The first thing you notice is the rugged build quality. ASUS TUF laptops are known for durability, and this one feels solid in the hand, with sturdy hinges, a firm chassis, and a keyboard that doesn't flex even during intense typing or long gaming sessions. It feels like a laptop you can carry every day without worrying about bumps or wear. The 16-inch display also hits a sweet spot. It gives you extra workspace for multitasking, editing, or productivity, while still feeling immersive for gaming. The high refresh rate makes motion look smooth and sharp, especially in fast-paced shooters or competitive titles, and colors look vibrant enough for games and media even if it's not a pro-level creator panel. Performance is where this laptop really shines. The Ryzen 7 7445HS delivers fast, confident speed for everything from heavy multitasking to video editing, coding, or running multiple apps at once. Pair that with 32 gigabytes of RAM, and the system feels future-proof. You can keep tons of tabs, programs, and workflows open without slowdown. And with the RTX 4050 GPU, gaming at 1080p feels smooth and enjoyable, whether you're chasing high frame rates in esports or playing demanding AAA titles at strong settings. It's also great for creative workloads with GPU acceleration. Overall, the ASUS TUF A16 delivers a balanced, powerful experience that works for gaming, productivity, and creative work without compromise. It doesn't try to be an ultra-luxury machine, but for the price, it feels reliable, capable, and ready night after night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.